think about it with your mindset. When you're actually low, that's the time when you're in such scarcity mode, you have the chance to change it. We hate stepping into the unknown, but I will tell you the only way to make a change is to step into the unknown.
I would recommend the workshop because it just teaches you so much of not only how to use it in your daily life, but you learn how much to take this and use it in your business and just help you in your whole mindset and your energy, just in your overall life.
My favorite part about the workshop was learning to stop asking for permission and just doing what I wanted to do. And because of that, I know that I'm going to be now investing far more money than I could have imagined.
Nicole brought in people that she knows will deliver. And that's one of my favorite things about Nicole is everything she does is high quality. Everything she does is focused on giving value to the customer, to the person that's in the seats.
Really dives in and it challenges your belief system and your perspective to be able to see what money really can do.